Good morning, Financial Lit. I am at home sick today, so what I would like you guys all to do is complete your 1040s. So hold on to those paper copies. You're going to go into the assignment and make sure that you click onto this Google form and you should submit it. It will give you a score at the end. I have updated it and it is accurate. So you should be able to go back and I have set it up so that you can edit your response so you don't have to redo the whole thing. Um, but yeah, make sure you fill that out. I will get those put into the gradebook probably tomorrow or Saturday. But yeah, so that is what you're doing. When you are finished with that, that is the last thing I'm collecting. In your packet on page, make sure you have all pages up through 36 complete. I will be collecting all of those and checking your work on that tomorrow. So again, you need to have pages 1 through 36 complete. So that's what you should be working on today. Make sure you get that submitted. And then tomorrow we'll take a formative, Monday we'll review, and Tuesday will be our test. I do have it updated on the um, calendar for Canvas. If you have any questions, just shoot me an email. Otherwise, I will see all of you tomorrow. Okay, have a great day. Make sure you get those submitted. Don't forget that you do need to be finding box 16 is based on a number you came up with for box 15, and you're going to be using that text schedule. Okay, that is all I have for you. So get those completed and I will see you all tomorrow. Also, I reopened the video from Monday. So if you didn't watch the first 45 minutes and then answer the questions, you can still do that as of today. So get those things done. Thank you. All right. Have a great day.